it's Strawberry Bubbles. Today we are going to be doing some K-tip extensions. I'm really excited because my hair is really short, so I don't really have a lot of style opportunities unless I want to rock a microphone. But yeah, we are going to get started, and the first step that we're going to be doing is blow drying my hair to stretch it out to make sure these K-tips look good as possible.
Sectioning out her perimeter so that this way she can do different styles, maybe a ponytail. I'm looking to see where the thickness and the thinness is so I can section it. Each section is about the same weight of each K-tip. I'm attaching the K-tip and making sure that she's going to have fullness at the top and in the back, making them nice and close together. Sectioning them out, making sure they're the same density as the K-tips themselves. The K-tips have been cut at the top, so make sure they're nice and smooth. Placing the section in. Heating my keratin. As I'm heating the keratin, I'm watching it and making sure it's covering her natural hair. Once it's covered, I'm going to spin. And I go over it a few times just to make sure I get it nice and smooth. One more in this row. Everybody has different methods on how they do this. I like to twist my hair, especially for my curly girls, to keep that same natural flow going. Get the right placement before I grab my tool. If you can hold your ear for me, because the tool is going this way, I don't want to grab her ear. Halfway through our K-tip extensions. I'm going to spin you around. My girl is curly. Back-to-back K-tips from 3 inches to 22 inches. So basically what I'm doing now is I'm using a shorter length so that we can create the layers that she's looking for. As for home care, this particular service lasts 3 to 6 months. It really is based off of your natural hair growth because these are individually keratin infused to the hair. So as far as home care goes, yes, you can shampoo, yes, you can blow dry. You just need to be mindful of the pieces so that this way you're not blow drying them because they are infused with heat. So sometimes the heat that you do put on them will melt them a little and you'll lose hair as far as shedding. As far as our hair goes from Hair Queen, we haven't seen any shedding. Everybody's been doing really good with their keratips. You got any questions for me about your hair?
No, I'm tired.
Client's over and she's ready to go.
Questions, thank you for asking, but I'm good. I don't know.
No problem. And as for styling wise, like I said, you can put heat on it. You can use a flat iron. You just have to be mindful of the keratin tips itself. But this is a curly style and we just want to go all out.
Yeah, big puff.
We want big hair. Big hair, don't care.
I was just gonna say that. Period. Just so everybody's clear, I'm not mean. We have a special relationship, okay? I wasn't giving her attitude.
She doesn't give attitude. She
People
gives
love
space.
to say, "Oh, you're so mean."
She gives space, not attitude. Styling. I'm going to put some leave-in conditioner, some curl cream, but my girl wants this big, so we're going to keep this as big as possible. Got me in the face. Okay, so yeah, this top part definitely has to get done because I can't have my girl out here like this.
Like flat, like hot combed, right?
You want it hot combed or you want it big?
I want it big.
So this is gonna have to get filled in.
Okay, hot combed it is then, girl.
Oh, see? There we go. She is not trying to stay here for this. Hot combed it is.
Hey you guys, it's Mia. I'm stepping in for Danny. I'm just touching up the leave out. We're gonna style it and blend it in to the K-tips right now. And we're just going for a natural look. We're leaving it in her natural state. Just using some gel, honestly. Some gel and some defining curl cream to blend it in. saw. We just styled her. So follow us at Hair Queen so that you can get this same look. Period.